B. To exist or to have a particular quality or characteristic. For example, I am happy. Usage, I am a student. She is a doctor. They are my friends. Have. To possess or to own something. For example, I have a car. Usage, I have a lot of work to do. She has a big family. They have a beautiful house. Do. To perform an action. For example, I do my homework every day. Usage, what do you want to do today? I have to do the laundry. She does yoga every morning. Say. To express something using words. For example, I said hello to my neighbor. Usage, what did you say to him? She said she would come to the party. They said they had a great time. Go. To move from one place to another. For example, I go to school every day. Usage, let's go to the beach. He goes to the gym 3 times a week. They go to the movies every weekend. Make. To create or produce something. For example, I made a cake for my friend's birthday. Usage, I have to make dinner tonight. She made a mistake on the test. They made a plan for the weekend. Get. To receive or acquire something. For example, I got a present from my parents. Usage, I have to get ready for work. She got a promotion at her job. They got lost on their trip. Know. To have knowledge or understanding of something. For example, I know how to swim. Usage, do you know the answer? She knows a lot about art. They know the city well. Take. To physically pick up or remove something. For example, I took my umbrella with me. Usage, can you take this book from me? She took a break from work. They took a picture of the sunset. See. To perceive or observe something with the eyes. For example, I saw a movie yesterday. Usage, did you see that bird? She sees her friends every weekend. They saw the concert last night. Come. To move or travel to a particular place. For example, I came home late last night. Usage, come to the party tonight. She comes to visit me often. They came to the park to have a picnic. Think. To have a mental process of considering or analyzing something. For example, I think this is a good idea. Usage, what do you think about this plan? She thinks she can do it. They think it's going to rain. Want. To desire or wish for something. For example, I want to go on vacation. Usage, what do you want for your birthday? She wants to buy a new car. They want to eat pizza for dinner. Use. To employ or utilize something for a particular purpose. For example, I use my computer for work. Usage, can you use this pen? She uses her phone to take pictures. They use the subway to get to work. Find. To discover or locate something. For example, I found my keys in my bag. Usage, can you help me find my phone? She found a new job. They found a great restaurant in the city. Give. To transfer or present something to someone. For example, I gave him a book as a gift. Usage, can you give me a glass of water? She gave a speech at the conference. They gave their time to volunteer at the shelter. Work. To engage in an activity to achieve a particular result. For example, I work as a teacher. Usage, I have to work on this project. She works hard to support her family. They work together to solve problems. Need. To require or have a necessity for something. For example, I need to go to the grocery store. Usage, do you need any help? She needs a vacation. They need to study for the test. Feel. To experience an emotion or sensation. For example, I feel happy today. Usage, how do you feel about the situation? She feels tired after working all day. They feel excited about their trip. Become. To transform or develop into something else. For example, I became interested in photography. Usage, what do you want to become when you grow up? She became a successful entrepreneur. They became good friends over time.